How to sculpt a horse, simplified version. In order to make a horse, we will need ordinary plasticine. I have yellow, but you can use any color you like. We will also need a cloth, it is always useful in work, and a cup of water to work with plasticine. I use a cup of water for more convenience in working with the model. Fingers slide easily and smooth the figure, hands do not get dirty. So let's get started. We sculpt from a single piece of plasticine. It is necessary to take so much plasticine that it is convenient to hold it in the palm of your hand. It is good if at the beginning of modeling you mash this piece, making it softer and more pliable. First, we outline the general contours of the trunk, neck and head. When we see that a piece of plasticine has begun to turn into an animal, we proceed to the formation of legs and neck. From the total mass, we begin to stretch our legs. Next, we form a long massive horse neck and head and continue to stretch the legs. Do not forget to moisten the clay with water, for ease of working with it. And now we have the original shape of the horse ready. But it's too early to stop, soft plasticine is ready for further changes. We continue to work on the figure. Now it is necessary to smooth out the irregularities, clarify the contours of the trunk. Then we move on to the details, improve the shape of the head, ears, align the length of the legs. Our horse should stand flat on the surface of the table and continue to smooth out the irregularities. And the final touch is the tail. We also pull it out of the trunk gradually and give the desired shape. That's it. Our horse is ready. She will ride through the fields and mountains. If you enjoyed creating your own zoo out of plasticine, join us. Subscribe to the channel.